Alright folks, let's dive straight into it. Today, I'm breaking down expert tips to turn her on and make her super horny. So, if you're looking to spice things up, you're at the right place. First things first, communication is key. Talk to her about what she likes and dislikes. Make her feel comfortable and respected. When she feels safe, she's more likely to open up and get in the mood. Next, let's talk about foreplay. A lot of people rush through this, but trust me, slow and steady wins the race. Gentle kisses, soft touches, and whispered words can go a long way. Pay attention to her responses and adjust accordingly. Now, let's move on to the power of anticipation. Build up the excitement throughout the day with flirty texts or subtle touches. Make her think about you and what's coming later. By the time you're alone together, she'll be ready and raring to go. Confidence is another big one. Show her that you're confident in your moves and in yourself. Confidence is incredibly sexy, and it can be a huge turn-on for her. And don't forget about her mind. Stimulate her intellectually. Have deep conversations, share your dreams and fantasies. Mental arousal is just as important as physical arousal. When her mind is engaged, her body will follow. Body language matters too. Maintain eye contact, smile, and show genuine interest in what she's saying. Your body language can communicate desire and attraction without saying a word. Lastly, variety is the spice of life. Don't be afraid to try new things and mix it up. Whether it's a new position, a different location, or a fun toy. Keeping things fresh can keep the passion alive. Remember, every woman is different, so take the time to learn what makes her tick. Be patient, attentive, and above all, have fun with it. Alright, there you have it, my top tips to turn her on and make her extremely wet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend, like, and follow for more. Cheers!